Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert, remove or change the nano SIM card, which is the physical SIM card which is used by the Pixel 9 series, which includes the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So of course you're going to need your device, then you are going to need a physical nano SIM card, and then the next thing you're going to need is a SIM ejector tool. Now where do you find one? If you still have the box of your Pixel 9 series, then on the top part of the box inside here is an insert. In this insert you have some paperwork. You pull that out and you should have a SIM card ejector tool provided to you by Google. So this is the one which we are going to use. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Pixel 9, and then if you hold it up like this with the USB type C port facing towards you, then you will see you have two holes. The one wherein you need to poke this SIM card ejector tool is the one which is farther away from the USB type C port. So not this one, but this is the one wherein we are going to poke this SIM card ejector tool. And once you do that, the SIM card tray should pop out, and bam, here it is. You can see that the SIM card tray has popped out a little. At this point you can use your fingers to pull out this SIM card tray. Now once you have done that, you are going to see a metal tray, and this is where you need to put in your SIM card. Line up that triangular cutout with your nano SIM card. So here it is. This is how the SIM card is going to go inside the SIM card tray, and then this metal side is going to face towards the display. So here it is, type C port. This side is the display, this side is the metal part of the physical nano SIM card. We are going to put it in here and then give it a little push. Bam, there it is. Everything is flush, and there it is, peeps. That is how you insert, remove or change the physical nano SIM card on your Pixel 9 series, which includes the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 Pro XL or the regular Google Pixel 9.